Hey everybody, this is Ben from Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom, and today we're talking about the pros and cons of top load versus front load laundry machines. Let's get started with the top load machines. I have a set right here behind me. So the first benefit of a top load laundry machine is that they're easier to load. You can actually load them, unload them without bending like you have to do with a front load machine. You can also add clothes mid-cycle with these machines, which is very convenient for busy families where maybe you forgot to throw a sock in, you can add it in the middle of the load. Very convenient there. Also, for busy families, these tend to have a quicker wash cycle than a front load machine. And also, what you're gonna notice with these is that on the low end, they tend to be cheaper than an entry-level front load machine. So those are the pros of a top load laundry machine. Let's move on to the cons. First thing that is a con with this specific style of machine is that they use more water. You actually have to fill the actual wash tub fuller with water to actually cover all the clothing. So they are less efficient on water if that's something that's important to you. Also, they come in two different configurations. You can either have an agitator, which is the normal tower styre mechanism that you see in the center of a lot of these tubs, or an impeller blade, which is kind of a surface on the bottom that spins to try and create a whirlpool effect to actually agitate the clothing. Cons of that is going to be the impeller blade is actually not as good at washing heavily soiled clothing. So if you do work very heavily soiling jobs like construction or on a farm, the impeller blade has a tough time actually scrubbing the clothing enough. The agitator tower though is harsher on clothing. So if you do have delicate clothing, it actually is going to be a little bit rougher on the clothing because it's plastic agitating your clothes. Also, I've had top loaders before where the agitator does have a tendency to grab strings. So if you have hoodies with strings, shorts with strings, a lot of times that stuff can get grabbed by the agitator and wrapped around it. So I had to actually start tying the hoodie strings, things of that nature, to stop it from grabbing them. The other things with an agitator is it's going to tend to be a little bit noisier, and it also does decrease the capacity of the tub. So if you have bulky items that you wash frequently, like comforters, the agitator is actually going to decrease the amount of space that you have in the tub. So those are the pros and cons of the top loaders. Let's move on to the front load. Let's talk about the benefits of front load laundry. First thing you're going to see is that these actually can be stacked. So if you're dealing with a smaller space, the footprint of the set is actually a lot smaller, and that's going to be really nice if you're trying to fit the units into a closet, things of that nature. Next benefit you're going to see is that they're a lot more efficient and they wash better. Because of the way that they actually wash the clothing, where it's a tumbling motion that uses gravity to bring the clothing and the water all down to the bottom of the tub, you can actually get a better washing cycle with less water, so they're more efficient and they do clean really well. The last benefit of this is that going to be, on average, the entry-level versions of these run a little bit bigger than the entry-level versions of a top-load machine because they don't have an agitator. So if you do more bulky loads, typically your front-load sets are going to have larger capacity on average. Let's talk about the cons. First thing you're going to notice is on the entry level, front load machines do run a little bit more expensive than top loads. So if budget is important, a top load laundry machine on the entry level is going to run less expensive on average than a front load entry level machine. Next thing you're going to notice is these are actually, if you do have issues like a bad back, things of that nature, they do require bending to load and unload. So a little bit more difficult there. You can actually buy a pedestal to raise the unit, but that's additional expense on top of something that's already a little bit more expensive than the top load version. Next thing you're going to notice is that these machines are actually deeper. So depending on the space, because they have to have the control panels on the front instead of on the top back like on a top load machine, you're going to notice that these machines tend to run a few inches deeper. So depending on your space, again, that might be an issue. Like if you're putting it in a closet and the door opens into the machine, might cause issues. The next con that you're going to notice with these is that they do require more maintenance on average because of the way that they tumble. Overloading the machine has more potential to cause issues, but you're also going to need to do basic preventative maintenance to make sure that these gaskets on the inside stay dry and you don't develop mold and mildew, things of that nature. Pretty easy, you just have to wipe them out, but it is an extra step that you have to do typically on every load. But those are the main cons of the front load machine. And that's it. That's our pros and cons of top load versus front load laundry sets. Hopefully that was helpful. If it was, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if there's anything that we didn't answer for you or if you have ideas for future videos. But until next time, thanks for watching and keep it clean, everybody.